welcome to my trading session. This was our last trade. I've already had a very fantastic session, guys. Out of 13, we have won 11 and lost 2. Remember, this is binary options. I started with $2. $2. Now I am at $12, guys. This is binary option. I'm using pocket options. This was my last trade, guys. Look how fantastic this trade was. Let me analyze it for you. So guys, remember, I use supply and demand, and I take my trades using 5 minutes. So this was how, remember, when using one key aspect in supply and demand is that one key aspect in identifying a strong supply or demand zone is when a supply has a base or the demand has a base, then I use breakout and a fair value gap or imbalance, guys. Though this was my, let me analyze this for you. Let me start again. Remember, this was my base. This was my base here, guys. This was my base, guys. Yeah. So this being my base, I marked it like that, guys. So to refine my entries, I came to the lower time frame. The lower time frame. I identified a very no guys, no guys, let me delete this. Coming to the lower time frame, I identified a, let me use 2 minutes. So coming to the, I identified a strong, I defined my entry by identifying a strong supply zone in the 2 minutes. So coming back in the 2 minutes, this is my refined entry. Let me mark it red, guys. So how I took that trade. Red, guys. Then save. So this was my refined supply zone in the lower time frame in the 2M2. But I use M5. So when I come back to the M5, see how my entry is refined, guys. This was my last trade. It was a very fantastic entry. I'm not even complaining, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you my ideal factors, or my 4 factors I consider when identifying a strong supply or demand zone, guys. Remember, I use supply and demand and advanced price action in my trades, and liquidity. Remember, liquidity is the fuel of the market. Liquidity fuels the market, guys, but supply and demand controls the market. And remember, price action is king. So when you combine all these strategies, there are high chances of you winning almost all of your trades. Trading is risky. The past does not guarantee the future in forex and in both binary options, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this was, let me show you this LiquidityEdgeFX. Okay, this was my trade again. Remember, this is a trend. Let me mark it for you. I took this trade here, guys. This here I bought here. So let me analyze it for you, guys. So remember, this is a trend line. This was a trend line, guys. Our trend line. Okay, this was our trend line. When you come here, this is a this was a very fun this was a very fantastic. Oh my god, what am I doing? Remember, this was a, this is a very this was our this is where this is an engulfing pattern, guys, and in engulfing patterns give strong levels. So this is why we mark this doji gives strong levels, and doji always dojis give histories in the market. So when we mark it there, see how fantastic that trade was. See how fantastic. Remember, it is in confluence with our trend line. Our trend line, guys. So that trade was a fantastic trade. Yeah. We see this one. Oh, guys, so this one was this. Remember, this is a strong supply zone. Look how beautiful it worked here. Let me mark it for you guys. This is a. Let me mark it for you. Let me mark it for you. Maybe blue. See how fantastic that supply zone was. Look how beautiful that supply zone was, guys. And it even had a retracement. Let me mark it the retracement for you guys. Remember, the market switches between supply and demand. So yeah, so it had a retracement, guys. Look how beautiful the retracement was, guys. So the market switches between supply and demand, but not every supply or demand zone works. You should backtest your strategy almost 100 times. Have a quality trading plan, guys, and risk the only amount that you can afford to lose, guys. Trading is not guaranteed. It's a game of probability, guys. So I have had a very fantastic session, even though I overtraded. I think I overtraded today, guys, because I had a very small account. I had only $2, guys, but now we are at $12.75. I think this is about 1640 Kenyan shillings, guys. Remember, trading is very risky. I'm doing this for educational purposes and based on what I know in the financial markets. So let us take one more trade. We call it a day, guys. One more opportunity, we call it a day. This market is on an uptrend. Trading involves risk, guys. I'm doing this for educational purposes only. I also sell ebooks. Link on my bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. So guys, example here. Let me tell you example here. I ignore the first this supply zone. This is the first supply zone. And then remember I told you dojis offer very strong very strong levels on supply and demand zones. This is our second supply. So the second supply, let me mark it. Maybe let us delete everything. We mark them fresh, guys. Remember, this is my first supply. This is my second supply. It will be marked for you guys. This is my first supply. Let me make it red. I mean my second, then my first. I make it pink, guys. So these are our supply zones. So So while taking your trades, you don't just jump to any supply or demand zone, guys. Remember, trading involves risk, and you should combine multiple reasons to take your trade, guys. It's a game of probability. I'm doing this for educational purposes. Past results does not guarantee future results, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I sell ebooks about my supply and demand checklist. Link on the bio, guys. So I think we will come to maybe the 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes, okay, the 15 minutes, okay, should come again to the maybe 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, there's a supply zone inside. So we'll come here, we'll mark here, guys. After marking here, okay, okay, so as in 10 minutes, then we'll come to 5 minutes, guys. On 5 minutes, okay, then we'll come to maybe 3 minutes, guys, to continue refining our entry. So in 3 minutes, this is our entry. So let me make it maybe let's say white. Okay, then we'll come to 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, there's a I inversed via value gap. It already worked, guys. It already worked. So I think we've missed the opportunity there. So in 2 minutes, there's a very inversed via value gap here. A very fantastic inversed via value gap. We already missed the trade, guys. Peace out. So this is how you analyze the markets. So let us continue. It's a very fantastic level. It's already broken. So our next point of interest will be looking to buy from here. This is the trading psychology that I will explain in my next episode, in my next session, guys. Remember, on Sundays I do a trading forecast of the whole week, guys. So let us continue analyzing the market and take one more trade, then we call it a day. Okay, guys, remember we missed this trade. I expect a retracement. So this is in conference with let me check. So trend line. Okay. Who's this calling? Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry for distraction. Sorry for distraction, guys. I think the market reacted on our 3 minutes, guys. Oh my god. Detected over 3 minutes. Okay. Guys, just look. Okay guys, this point of interest there. Guys, there's no opportunity, I feel. Oh my god, guys, see how beautiful this trade was. Remember, this trade we analyzed and we missed the entry. Guys, I think I will stop here. The Kenyan shillings stock USD. So I think let's remember, in the low opportunities, never force an entry. Remember, trading, we are paid by being patient. This was, let me take this trade, guys. Let me wait and see. Now guys, a broken level supply, a broken support becomes a strong resistance, and a broken resistance becomes a strong support. Let us wait and see. This is my last trade. I lose, we stop. I win, we take one more. Guys, let us wait and see. Guys, if this video reaches 100 likes, 100k views, I will open a Telegram Discord, and I'll open a community to share my trading insights and knowledge. Remember, I do binary options. On Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, I'll be doing binary, and then on Friday, and Thursday, and Friday, I'll be doing forex, and then on Sunday, I'll be doing a trading focused on both binary and forex trading. Remember, trading is risky. Only risk amount that you can afford to lose, guys. So this was our trade number 12. It was a very fantastic trade. Look how beautiful it was, guys. Even when coming to the lower time frame, it was a very fantastic trade. A very fantastic trade, guys. Let me see on the 1 minute. And then, oh my god, look how fantastic the trade. It was a very fantastic trade. Remember this strategy, I use it in both binary and in forex. It works on forex and in binary in futures. Yeah. So this was our trade. Let us wait and see. Remember, when a support level is broken, it becomes chances of becoming a strong resistance level are very high. It's fantastic trade. Very fantastic trade, guys. Let us continue analyzing. Okay, guys, remember we use supply and demand. And here I'm seeing a very very good supply level. So let us wait and see. Okay. Wow, that is our point of interest. So what we will do, the market, remember, you cannot control the market. The market does whatever it wants to do. It doesn't care about your emotions. It only cares about a skill, a trading plan, a very quality trading plan, guys. Make sure you have a very quality trading plan, a very quality, a very good risk management, and even a very good risk to reward ratio, guys. A very good RR. So this is our supply. So let us wait and see. So we'll come here to, maybe, remember, I come to 10 minutes. Okay. Again, we come to maybe 15 minutes. Come. Okay, fantastic, guys. Okay, we come to 30 minutes, guys. Let's see how the market is reacting. Okay, fantastic. We narrow down to maybe 3 minutes. In 3 minutes. My network is very slow. I don't know what's wrong with this network, guys, today. This is my network. Oh my god. So in 3 minutes we have a very strong, we have a supply zone inside. So sell there, guys. We lose one trade, we stop there, guys. Okay, just wait and see. Ooh, let us wait and see, guys. Let us wait and see, guys. Remember, this was our lower time frame entry. Let us wait and see. Fantastic trade, guys. And again we enter there. Guys, I'm over trading today. Oh my god. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Guys, we've taken 15 trades. We've lost only 2. We've won 13. This is the last trade I will take today. I win all. If I win, I stop. If I lose, I stop. Yeah. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Maybe when you have any advice that can make me a good trader, I'm saying if you have any advice or anything that you can make me a good trader, guys, comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember this kind of trades. Let me show this kind of trades when a candle starts inside the other candle, it indicates continuation. So if I lose this trade, it's because of ignorance, guys. Remember, gaps inside other candles. When a gap starts inside the previous candle, it indicates continuation. When a gap starts outside the previous candle, it indicates reversal. In most cases, guys, remember, you cannot control the market. Let us wait and see. Yeah, the market is going towards our supply zone. Remember, not every supply or demand zone works, guys. What I'm sharing here is my personal knowledge in the markets. At the end of this session, I will unleash 5 factors to consider when identifying a strong supply or demand zone. Remember, I also sell ebooks about my supply and demand checklist with advanced price action and liquidity pools and liquidity sweeps and liquidity runs, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification. Okay, guys. Remember, this trade is my last trade. Just wait and see, guys. But remember, guys, if I lose this trade, it's because this candle started inside this previous candle, and I have explained when the candle starts inside the previous candle, in most cases it indicates continuation. When a candle starts outside the previous candle, it indicates reversal. Let us wait and see, guys, whether they think that we will win this trade. Guys, I told you, I think we will lose this trade. Oh my god. But it's fine, we'll stop there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Oh my god. The next candle will be a sell, but let us stop there. Subscribe, guys. I love you. Peace out.